Dear matriculants, on behalf of the staff and students of Lagos State Polytechnic, I welcome you all with great pleasure to the matriculation ceremony of today for newly admitted students into various full-time national diploma and higher national diploma programs for 2001-2012 session. I congratulate the matriculants of today who have been lucky to have secured admission into the Polytechnic of Excellence. Your admission into the Polytechnic of Excellence should be seen as an opportunity to improve yourself academically. The nature of polytechnic education is such that it emphasizes practical skills rather than theoretical skills. The role of polytechnic education is to initiate, introduce, and emphasize the appropriate knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed for technological and economic operations as well as social growth. My dear matriculants, the Polytechnic runs a portal, the Edu portal, on its website www.mylaspotech.com. You are already familiar with this since you process your admission and registration on it. Plans are on the way to make the portal more robust to enable you check examination results, issuance of letters of completion, transcripts, e-learning, access to an e-library, dissemination of campus information, and easy electronic communication, among other things that will be made possible by the incredible development of information and communication technology. It is to enable the products of this polytechnic to be ICT compliant and work ready in the modern dynamic age that the Polytechnic started the compulsory computer education in 2009-2010 academic session for all its fresh students. It is an undeniable fact that anybody without computer appreciation knowledge and the ability to utilize its application will definitely lag behind in the near future. To be sure, computer technology is playing a big role in rebuilding the world by improving communication, economic opportunity, civic participation, and not the least all education. The computer education will surely make you more competitive and employable in this increasingly technology-driven age. Furthermore, in compliance with the directive of the